Hi, this is Suzanne from EFT-scripts.com with an answer to a request from a wonderful viewer. Thank you so very much. And if you watching this have another request, then please just put it in the comments under the video and I will make a video for you. Okay, so I was asked about sleep issues when the person wakes up on a regular basis about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I could do a script for that, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave something in the description or point to the video. So if you watch the entire of this video, towards the end, there will be the video that I'm pointing to. So it will play after this video. So you can actually follow the instructions. So the reason why I can't give one instruction is that there could be many reasons why somebody could wake up at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. I'll give you a few just to get your mind thinking. And of course, because I'm answering one wonderful viewer, and also I know that there are other viewers who may have the same thing, waking up at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning or 5 o'clock or whatever it is, and then struggling to go back to sleep or something like that, but maybe for different reasons. So, in my experience, I found out, for example, with mums, sometimes with dads, when they had a baby, the baby would wake up at about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. So they got used to waking up and listening to the sound of the baby. And after that, the baby grew up, but they still have this thing where they wake up every day, 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, and then they struggle to go back to sleep. And it's because they got so used to listening for that cry so that they can attend to baby. So if that's the case, it's where you put in your film title, your movie title, as per the video that's going to follow this one. When I had to get up and look after, and you put your baby's name in there, or this getting up and looking after. So that's what you can use to help yourself to overcome that. And I would suggest the tell the story technique, because you can take it step by step, which means if it's something more traumatic, that's what you can use. Another thing, unfortunately, like we're going from a very happy thing to a very unhappy thing. People who have been essayed at night, and a certain person would come into their room at some point during the night, and they learned to be hyper aware, hyper alert, or something that happened, for example, a burglary. I've had people who've been burgled at a particular time, and every night at that time they wake up. So it could have been an attack. It could have been an attack by a partner. It could have been anything, a fire that started next door, some kind of traumatic happening, or some kind of duty that the person had to do. I also have people who perhaps were working all night, let's say like a security guard, and they weren't allowed to go to sleep during the break. And so they're hyper aware that about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, when we all get very tired, they must stay awake. So it could be any of those things or something similar. So that's why I can't give an exact script, but you get the idea. Now, if it's something really traumatic, what I suggest is that you see somebody about it. I'm more than happy to see you. I'll put the details in the description how you can make a free appointment to discuss with me. Okay. But if it's something that you want to deal with on your own and it's trauma, use a tell the story technique and be very disciplined not to jump many steps ahead, but just do one step at a time. Okay. Hopefully it's not traumatic. Hopefully it's just a baby crying in the night or security guard that's not allowed to go to sleep during their break or something like that. Um, I hope this helps. Let me know how you get on. Thank you so much. Until next time, see you later.